this is FunnyJZ, and today I'm gonna show you how to install Steam natively for any Linux basic system. With the simple step, we can get Steam running with our whole games that we have paid for them and playing under Linux. So the first thing we got to know is that nowadays more and more developers prefers develop their games under Linux systems. This is because Linux is faster, and in some of the cases there are more compatibilities. Sorry. Or for example, you all know that Linux is an open source system, so developer have more more freedom to develop their games. So this is the main reason why they prefer developing their games under Linux system. And also security. Well, for sure most of you want to download this platform for your Linux system, more players that used to play on Windows systems. But here is a solution for that one. First of all, we can install it as I have done it in my previous tutorials with a terminal, but also if we use a browser that we have installed on our system, depending on yours, Firefox or Chrome, you can go to the main or the official web page of Steam and download from there. I'm gonna teach you that both ways, and you can choose the best one you think you are going to do better. First of all, if we go to a terminal, we open it, and as you can know from another videos, the basic commands is also sudo su or root permissions, and now add get install Steam. This is a way. Then if you want it, you can accept this installation, or in the other case you can deny this installation. In our case, we're gonna install it by the other way. There is going to the main web page and download from there. As you can see here, Steam, the main packet is here, but it depends from another libraries like you see here. Okay, we answer no in this case, but you can see this is another way. We go to our browser, open Google, now write Steam here. Welcome to the official web page, and here in this corner you see install Steam. In my case it's in Spanish, but in your case it might be in English, or maybe probably in Spanish too. But you should know that this green button is the button you have to click to install Steam here in your system. So now we click on it, and automatically it will detect that we have a Linux system. So we click on it. It is a .dat packet, so it's the easiest way to install a packet on Linux. We accept it. Here it says download. Now we got to our personal folder, downloads, and now here it is. We click on it. Now we got to wait. It depends on your machines. It will depends. It will spend more time or less time. Here in my case, I have it yet. I already have it. Steam launcher. We install it. I hardly recommend installing JDB for point packets, because this one is too slow for me. But here, because it's a demonstration, I'm gonna show you with this one. We install it, and now it's installed. How I said before, it requests our password. We enter it, and depending on your machine, it will take more, or it will spend more time or less. But in my case, it's too fast. Okay, I think we got it. Wait. Okay, alright, so install. We click on it, and now it should open this way. Okay, it take a bit. Okay, we're gonna look for it. Steam. Okay, here it is. Okay, here. We got as Windows, we got to click on install agreement. So we click here. I have read accept these terms. I have already read it. We all know that this is impossible because it's too long text. So I click on accept and proceed to installation. Okay. It says that Steam needs to install these two additional libraries, message drive and okay, this one. So it requests our password. We enter it. Okay, it's starting to download all packets. As you see, it's very simple, and nothing as far as that. It will take a while. Okay, yes, yeah. As you see here, finally it's going to download and install like the first way, but this Steam launcher will do all the process without any complication. You don't have to know any command to download it, to download it and install it using this Steam launcher. So this is an easiest way. Wait a while. Okay. I personally have to say that this is a great step for Linux users. Then some of you, I know, I know people that have passed or have test Linux because they have listened before that it's a very fun season, and for all their games, they know it's a very good platform. But then they found that there is still some incompatibilities with some games, but with this platform it's very simple. Most of the games are played on Windows system are now for our Linux systems. I highly recommend, as I said before, I highly recommend the software. Now it's downloading and update. We'll let it to install it. As I said before, this software center, I personally don't like it. I always disabled because I prefer JDB because it's faster and also it's real simple to use. And I don't know, it's in my opinion the best one JDB, but this one is pre-installed on the system. Okay, we wait. It doesn't spend so much time on adding packets. Okay, it's faster. Well, I'm gonna stop the video here and then I will continue. Welcome back. Is finishing now. And now we'll continue configuring and doing something else. Okay, extracting package. Okay, unpacking since runtime. Progress. Okay. I think the main, yeah, this one. Okay. Here you have the typical interface, a Steam interface that we do often find on Windows platforms. Here you can create new account, PS3 players first signing into Steam, log into an existing account. I click here. In your case, if you don't have any Steam account yet, you can click here. Agree, yeah. Agree, okay. So now for me, I can click here and now use. I don't remember exactly my account, but cross your fingers, guys. Yeah. Well, this is my personal account. Here I have received the image from Silver and I am ready to enter my special user code. What an email message. Well, I can click here. Well, I have to enter my code, so I pause here. Welcome back. Here is my personal code. And now, yeah, remember this computer. Next. Okay, success. Okay, now we'll see your interface. It's the same as Windows interface, as you are going to see it now. Here's that and Steam information for news or So this is why it's taking some time. Okay, now you have a Steam installed on your Linux machine. As you can see here, I got this store, library, community, and now my profile. Okay, now you see all the store. You can have free to play, early access, action, adventure, casual, indie, massively multiplayer, racing, RPG, simulation.